Morning, Aman Singh. Class 8, give your attendance, class 8. Supriya Rani. Then Vansika, Jigyasa, Vaishnavi. Okay, Kumari Sapna, Surabhi, Risuraj. So last class I taught you balance force. Is balance force clear? Reply everybody. Everybody reply, is balance force clear? Is balance force theory clear? Reply. Now see, page number 156. However, if one team applies more amount of force than the other team, the rope starts moving toward the direction of team with greater force. Here, the net effect produced by forces changes the direction of shape of motion of rope. In that case, the forces are said to be unbalanced. For example, you are playing tug of war, means rope pulling in school. If this side 10 boys are there, here 5 girls are there. Which side the rope will move? One side 10 boys are there, other side 5 girls are there, and we are playing a tug of war. In which side the rope will move? Reply quickly. The rope will boys side. Why? This case forces are unbalanced. The forces exerted by girls is not being balanced by forces exerted by boys. Boys are exerting more forces compared to girls, so naturally the rope has to move towards boys side. So this is an example of unbalanced force here. Because in this case some force will be there, overall net force will be there. See here. If the net force produced by two or more forces on an object is not zero, means if the total forces exerted on the object is not zero, the forces are said to be unbalanced. The unbalanced forces changes the shape of the body. For example, listen here. This is marker, clear? If I am applying more force, naturally after some time it can bend. Unbalanced forces can bring a change in the shape. Is it clear? If forces are balanced, they will not produce any change. If forces is unbalanced, naturally it will produce some change. See here, the unbalanced forces changes the state of the body. This is an object. See here, apply force. Naturally, it has to move. But both sides, if I apply equal and opposite force, is it moving? Tell me, is it moving? If I apply equal and opposite force, it won't move. But if one side is exerting more, it will bring a change in the state. It will bring it into motion. So the unbalanced force theory is clear. Reply everybody. The unbalanced forces theory is clear. Yes or no? Theory is not clear. I ask, theory is clear or not clear? Unbalanced force. Let us perform an activity which shows that the net force increases if two different forces act on the Same body in same direction naturally. If this is the object, then in only one direction, two forces will increase. Net forces will increase, means force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity, it will be added up. You are applying two or more forces in the same, means car is there, one boy is pushing it. One more boy came and started pushing it, one more boy, three boys are there, naturally the force will add on, force will increase. Activity 2. There was a cupboard in Kundan's house. Kundan's mother asked him to move the cupboard closer to the wall. The cupboard was heavy, so Kundan could not move it alone. Kundan called his friend Amit to help him. Both of them pushed and both of them pushed the cupboard from the same side along the same direction. They were able to move the cupboard to the desired place. Why was Kundan not? Because his forces was being balanced. If Kundan was applying force on the cupboard was also applying force on Kundan, and both the forces were being balanced. But when his friend came, Amit, both of them force was greater than the force exerted by the cupboard, means force. Here. Both of them pushed the cupboard from the same side and along the same direction. They were able to move the cupboard to the desired place. Why was Kundan not able to move the cupboard alone? Because his force was being balanced by the force of cupboard. But when his friend Amit came for his help, the forces become unbalanced and the cupboard started moving. Why did cupboard move when Kundan Amit? I told you the answer. Read the activity, all of you now. Everybody read the activity. It will become clear, don't worry. After 1 or 2 minutes, it will become clear. Is it clear now? Reply all of you, is it clear now? Video is clear or not? That your reply. Is video clear or not? That your reply. Clear, very good. Then. The force applied by Kundan alone was not sufficient to move the cupboard. When Amit joined Kundan, the net force acting on the box increased. This increased force caused the box to move from its place. Then, next we have pressure. We have studied about the force and its effects in previous section. Let us learn about the factors on which the effect of a force depends. A child gently kicks the foot, another child kicks the same football very hard. In which instance will the football cover a greater distance? Tell me. Two children are there. One is kicking a ball gently, another is kicking a ball hard. In which case the ball will cover a greater distance? In which case does the ball will cover a greater distance? Reply. In slow kicking or hard kicking? The child who kicks the ball hard, yes. The child who kicks the ball hard, because he is exerting more force and displacement is directly proportional to force. See here, The weight of an object, next theory. What do you mean by weight? Weight of an object is the force with which it is pulled by the earth towards its center. Weight of an object is the force. Weight of an object is the force by which the earth is attracting the object towards its center. Weight of an object is the force with which it is pulled by the earth towards its center. It is also a measure of a force the object will say here. This is mobile. There it is exerting a weight on my hand by the earth. But if I keep a big stone, it will exert a more force because its weight is more. So weight is the force. Weight is the force by which the earth attracts object towards its center. What is weight? Weight is the force by which the earth is attracting object towards its center. That is called weight. And what is the SI unit of force? All of you reply. What is SI unit of force? Reply everybody. What is SI unit of force? SI unit of force is, that will be capital N. Aryan Raj Singh, whoever are you. You have to write capital N. That is not a small n. When you're writing in complete sentence, you write Newton. When you're writing only simple, you have to write capital N. So SI unit of force is Newton. So what will be the SI unit of weight? What will be SI unit of weight? What will be SI unit? And that Newton won't be there. That if you're writing capital, that will become the name of scientist. Useless. SI unit of weight. Now I told you, weight is also a force. Weight is also a force. So SI unit of weight will be Newton. SI unit of mass is kg. Everybody's answer is wrong. Everybody's answer is wrong. SI unit of weight will not be kg. If we write down SI unit of weight will be Newton. SI unit of weight will be Newton. Reason, weight is also a force and SI unit of force is Newton. So SI unit of weight will be Newton. Did you get that, everybody? SI unit of weight is Newton. SI unit of weight is Newton and SI unit of mass is kg. SI unit of mass is kg. These observations indicate that greater force, as greater you see here, you'll observe that 10 kg sphere creates a greater depression on the mat. Simple is there when you take 10 kg ball, other you can take 5 kg ball. 10 kg ball you release, it will go and hit the sand, it will make a depression. Then again, you will take 5 kg ball, you leave it there, it will make again one depression in the sand. Whose depression will be more, a 10 kg ball or a 5 kg ball? If I release a 10 kg ball on the sand, it will go and make a depression in the sand, a hollow space. If I release a 5 kg ball in the sand, it will also make a hollow space. In which case do you find more depression, in 10 kg ball or 5 kg ball? Why do you find more depression in case of 10 kg ball? Why do you find more depression in case of 10 kg ball? Reply, why do you find more depression in case of 10 kg ball? Tell me the reason why do you find more depression in case of 10 kg ball? Because the weight of 10 kg ball is more. The earth is attracting it more strongly as compared to 5 kg more. What is weight? Weight is the force by which the earth attracts object towards its center. Yes, because its weight is more. Any doubt, anybody up to here? Any doubt is there, everybody? Then 3. Take a knife. Read up to here first. All of you read the term pressure. All of you read that paragraph. Pressure. The 3 paragraphs are there. Read it carefully, everybody. Read about pressure. Read that 3 paragraphs. If you have read, reply. Reading over. Okay. See activity 3. Take a knife and a potato. Make a cut in the potato with the sharp edge of the knife. Now turn it over. Use the blunt edge. Use the blunt edge of the knife to cut the potato, which takes more effort. Which will take more effort, blunt edge or sharp edge? Tell me the answer. Which will take more effort, blunt edge or sharp edge? Which will take more effort, blunt edge or sharp edge? Which will take more effort, I am asking, or which will require more force, blunt edge or sharp edge? Useless fellows. Blunt edge will require more effort because blunt edge less pressure will be applied. In sharp edge more pressure will be there because in blunt edge area is more. In sharp edge area is less. If area is less, more pressure will be there. If area is more, less pressure will be there. See your explanation. The sharp edge of the knife has a smaller area. You must have carried a bag, school bags. You see when your straps are very wide. Bag straps are very wide, you will feel less pressure. If your bag strips are very thin, you feel more pressure. The sharp edge of the knife has a smaller area than the blunt edge. So the force applied by the sharp edge acts over a smaller area on the potato. This shows that the force has a greater impact means same force. For example, imagine this is knife or nail. This is nail. If this nail will have pointed edge, means less area, then only we can put it on the wall. Otherwise, if this much big area will be there, it won't go inside the wall because lesser area, more pressure. If area is less, there will be more pressure. If area is more, there will be less pressure. All of you read up to activity 3. Everybody read activity 3. Have you read activity 3? Okay. See here next. I won't take much time. See here. Last topic is pressure. Pressure is video is clear. Tell me everybody. Is video clear? A useless fellow say video is clear. Okay, see. Pressure is defined as force per unit area. Pressure is defined as force per unit area. What is SI unit of force? All of you reply, what is SI unit of force? What is SI unit of force? Newton. What is SI unit of area? What is SI unit of area? Area. I am asking SI unit of area. Yes. SI unit of area is meter square. So SI unit of pressure equal to Newton per meter square or 1 Pascal. That is SI unit of pressure. Write it down, everybody. Everybody, write it down. Then write down. See, if for the same place or the same amount of force or the same quantity of force or the same amount of if force remains constant means if we are applying same force if for the same amount of force if area increases area this will increase so this will decrease if area increases if area decreases if this area decreases then pressure will increase. If area decreases, then pressure will increase. Write it down. Write it down. Have you written? So that's all for today. We'll do there. Next tomorrow with more examples and places. So good day, everybody. That's all for today. Everybody, good day. Good day, everybody.